Yes, you want those glasses? That is none other than Dashboard, the King music. Followed by, that is a Prestige. Remember, after Prestige, you check out the mother Kuluji. Yes, I have been exported by Ronald Wanga. I don't graduate. Come on, graduate. I want you to be the you know, man, Mr. Blanky here. Angel, that is Angel Vic. Just that one. Hey, that is Prestige. You said it. Dangala. Aha. Could you give me time in the building? That is Ronald Wanga. Ah!